everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. In this video today, you are facing this humongous picture window that I have over my sink, and we are going to be cleaning it today. So let's get started. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Home Cleaning Motivation, and this is being hosted by Sonia down south and myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. All right, guys, let's get started. Okay, so I had a whole bunch of stuff here on this shelf, and I'm gonna start taking this stuff down. Now, I am not tall enough to get back here, so I may have to get a stool. Let's see how far we can get. Now we are going to be cleaning up these cloches that are in the window. Oh my goodness, isn't this beautiful? This floral, you just may use that. And I know I'm gonna have to get a stool to reach all the way up there, but for right now, I'm just focused on this area. And then I want to clean it. All right, guys, so you could see that I'm going to be needing my stool like right now. So let me go get it. All right, so I may as well go ahead and grab what's over here, which is this beautiful lavender. Isn't this beautiful, guys? I love this. All right. Grab some of this. I have to get my stuff a bigger, right now I'm on a chair. I have these little plants that someone gave me. Now let me reach up here. Get the cleaner, guys, so I can climb back up here and just wipe down this whole area. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm going to be using this awesome all-purpose cleaner to wipe this down. So, all right, this is not going to be easy, because I'm going to have to climb into the sink. That's how short I am. All right, and then we got some paper towels. So let's see, guys. Okay, so I'm going to start out with this close. Now, I'm not necessarily changing the decor. What I'm doing is just dusting this off. So let's take this big dome off. By the way, guys, I thrifted this, and I really love the items inside. So I'm not going to change that. So I'm going to spray this, and I'm going to spray this. Let's just dust everything off. And then I can go ahead and put it back. loving the macarons. All this stuff, like, to me, reminds me of spring and summer. So I don't think I'm changing it. So here we go. There you go. So we're gonna place this dome right back on top here. Okay. Isn't that look beautiful? So the bunnies always remind me of spring. I'm gonna go ahead and twist this here. And there you go. So now this is going in the window. Let me go ahead and put it there and grab the other one. By the way, both of the closures were DIY, so I absolutely love these closures. I should have got a bigger dish for this one here. So we are going to just dust this off. It just looks so pretty when it's nice and clean and white. So if you guys have not been part of this collaboration, I would love for you guys to join. So I was on live last night, and I miss being on live with you guys. I am just so happy to be done with the school, with all of the studies, all of the years of schooling, and now I am in my second part of my journey. But I am also so happy to just be spending time with you guys on YouTube and trying to get my channels where I would like them to be and the collaborations where I would like them to be. So, and I guess a quick wipe on the inside. Nice. Okay, so let's see what we're gonna put in here, because I'm absolutely loving this Sunday, so you know that's gonna go in there. I do love the greenery, so I am gonna go ahead and put that greenery in there. Okay, and I do love this lavender rose, which I think is so adorable. I'm just gonna stick that in there. And then what I had was this bottle brush tree in the white and pink. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that in there. So now we're going to close this, and we're going to place this back in the window. So it's going to be a little surprise when you get back there and see how beautiful this looks. Okay, so let me go ahead and place this in there. I think what I'm going to do is keep this floral. Because it looks like I'm leaning toward this pink. So let me go ahead and work with that. All right, so I decided to take these flowers down, and I thought I would go ahead and do my tier tray, just because I can use that floral arrangement. Now this tier tray was already decorated, so I'm gonna go ahead and place that in the center right there. I'm sorry guys, I'm not exactly that tall. I'm liking how that looks. Okay, there you go. So I think that's looking kind of nice. Now we're just gonna put some accents. Let's see. So we do have some bunnies, so I'm gonna go ahead and place this bunny over here. Lavender bird, I thought that would be nice right there. This beautiful close to the hearts, I thought that would be nice over here. I like this watering can, it reminds me of Mackenzie Child, so let me wipe that down. That like right absolutely love this piece right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and, let's see, I'm gonna place that right there. I'm gonna use this yellow bottle brush tray, and we're gonna put that right behind this close. Now, so I think this part right here is looking really nice. Now I do have these plants that someone gave us from school with the little ladybugs. I'm gonna leave them here because they were just potted and I don't want anything to happen to them. So I'm just gonna put them here where I can look at them. These are aloes, and yep, 2 of them have ladybugs. Now, I think I'm also going to put this bird, and I have a yellow one over here. Okay, so that's kind of nice. Now we're not going to use the bunnies, and I think this part right here is fine. It's just deciding what I'm going to put over there. Okay, so let me show you what I did up there, because I did have to climb on a chair to get up to this. So I had DIY these 3 buffalo check bunnies, and I put some pearls by the ears. I decided to go ahead and place that there because I really like that piece. Then over here I have a little vignette tray with this pink piece that I purchased at Dollar Tree. I absolutely love that jar, and it has a gem on the top. And then I'm also loving the white roses in that box, and I have some greenery in there. I placed it on that vignette tray, and that's what I decided to do with that. Then we have these lavenders. It's a heart-shaped lavender floral piece that I decided to make. And then over here I've always had that black DIY mason jar, and so that's what I decided to put up here. I'm not sure if it's making any sense, but I love it. All right guys, so this is what my picture window is looking like, and that was a job all by itself, guys. Let's see if I can come up closer. So these are the aloe vera baby plants that we got from someone at school. I'm loving this close with the hearts, and then as you can see over here, I took the bottle brush tree that was in pink and white. I just took it out of there. It just kept falling out. I'm gonna have to get a bigger dish for this bottom half here. This tier tray is perfect for 4th of July, which will be coming up this month of June. And then just the colors and everything just kind of looks really beautiful, and I'm loving this close most of all. Look at that. I just love that. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen. Can never go wrong with that shake. I went back to Dollar General to see if I can get some of these pieces, and they were gone. All right, guys, have an amazing day. Amen. Oh, and I have to show you my balance. Isn't that beautiful? I love it.